Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can apply for travel reward credit cards. If you're someone who loves to travel, getting a travel rewards card can be a great way to earn points or miles towards your next adventure. The first step is to do some research and compare different travel reward credit cards available in the market. Look at the sign-up bonuses, annual fees, earning rates, and other perks offered by each card to find one that suits your travel preferences and spending habits. Next, once you've chosen a card that you like, visit the issuer's website to start the application process. Fill out the online application form with your personal information, including your name, address, income, and employment details. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any delays in the approval process. After submitting your application, the credit card issuer will review your application and run a credit check to assess your creditworthiness. If you have a good credit score and meet the issuer's criteria, you will likely be approved for the card. Once you're approved, you can expect to receive your new travel reward credit card in the mail within a couple of weeks. Activate your card as soon as you receive it by following the instructions provided by the issuer. After activating your card, you can start using it to make purchases and earn rewards. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the card's benefits, rewards program, and any spending requirements to maximize the rewards you earn. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully apply for a travel reward credit card and start earning points or miles for your future travels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.